Imagine a world where a staggering 90% of YouTube content is automated. It's a reality that's closer than you might think. The rise of YouTube automation is reshaping the landscape of content creation, with an increasing number of creators outsourcing tasks such as video scripts, thumbnails, and even video creation itself. But this brave new world comes with its fair share of controversy and important questions. Today, we delve into the truth about artificial intelligence and YouTube automation, and whether it could spell disaster for your channel. Recently, the topic of YouTube automation has been generating a lot of buzz. There's no denying the allure of automating tasks. It promises to streamline workflows, increase efficiency, and potentially even enhance the creative process. But can all that glitters be gold? YouTube has set forth rules and guidelines regarding the use of artificial intelligence in content creation, and violations can have serious consequences. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, is the dream of many content creators. It's the gateway to monetization, the path to turning passion into profit. But here's the catch. Channels with redundant, machine-generated content may not be monetized. Videos that are repetitive, mass-produced, or lacking educational value are also ineligible for monetization. And during the YPP application process, real humans review channels for community guideline violations and signs of mass production or overly templated content. This begs the question, can YouTube AI automation ruin your channel? Well, the answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. While AI technology can indeed be a powerful tool for content creators, it should not replace the human touch and emotional complexity that viewers crave. YouTube isn't just about videos, it's about connection, it's about community, it's about sharing experiences and emotions. And no matter how sophisticated AI becomes, it can never replicate the genuine human connection that lies at the heart of successful content creation. So what's the verdict on YouTube automation? As with most things in life, moderation is key. Use AI to enhance your creative process, not to replace it. Streamline your workflow, but don't sacrifice the unique human touch that differentiates your content. Remember, the most successful YouTube channels are those that connect with their audience on a personal level, and no amount of automation can replace that. Now is the time to think, to reflect, and to make informed decisions about the role of automation in your content creation process. So, what are your thoughts on the rise of YouTube automation? Do you see it as a boon or a bane? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section. This is an important conversation, and your voice matters. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. If you found this video informative and it helped you understand the impact and role of automation in YouTube content creation, please give it a like. Your likes not only motivate us to deliver more quality content, but also help other viewers discover this video. And if you want to stay updated with more such content, do consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos on topics that matter to you. Remember, every like and subscribe supports us in bringing more quality content to you. So, let's continue this journey of exploration and understanding together. Your engagement is what drives us to keep creating, keep questioning, and keep delivering the content you deserve. Thank you for being a part of our community.